Hi, in this video we're going to show you a way to take the date and time of a particular file and then apply that date and time to other files. It's a program called Win Copy Paste Dates, and all you need to do is download it. It's a zip file, just extract it. Then you just need to run this batch file as administrator to install it, like so. Then if you want to remove it, you could just double click this reg file here to put things back to normal. Okay, so now we have these files here, different dates for date created, date modified. So let's say we want to have this application match the agenda's date and time stamps here. So just right click on it, go to show more options for Windows 11, and of course you could just hold down Shift in Windows 11 to bypass that. Pick Dates Copy. See a little box flash there. So 322, 610, 322. We'll right click this one. Dates paste, 322, 610, 322. And so now let's try it again here. We shouldn't have to recopy, but we'll recopy it again. Okay, so now let's do these three here. Dates paste. So you did three flashes there, and now it matched everything up again. So it's a quick and easy way to make your date and time stamps match on all your files here if you need to do that for any particular reason. So I will put a link in the description where you could download this app, and then you could try it out yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.